Okay, so most likely this is what you have now. This is the one you were testing on. Okay, as you can see, the cross always shifts away from the bottle. This creates problems on the reject and on the detection, and sometimes it rejects the bottle by mistake. So what we will do is go back, go to sensor settings. I'm already in sensor settings, so go to image, adjust, position comp, modify, teach. Here we need to work on edge region 0, and we need to put it here on the brightest spot. It depends how your camera is set up on the machine, I'm not sure, but always put it on the brightest spot. Let's say we will put it here. Okay, press OK, and the top one, put it here. Doesn't matter where it is, just needs to detect the top part of the bottle. Don't put it on the blinking spot. Keep it a little bit away, like this. Teach. After you have done teach, still we need to do something, and this is go back, go to details, measure parameter. We need to work on edge 0, edge level. Okay, here you can see this blue line and the yellow line. We will start with the, I think this is the blue line, so we will move it down until it's like this much above the smallest highest peak. You should see two high peaks, and this blue one should be above the smallest one, third one, fourth one, depends, but it should be here above this one. If you have, it might be here, it might be here. Just make it above it and keep a little distance above it. Let's say like this, 28. Okay, now we go to noise. At 0 level noise. This is the yellow bar. We need to make it above this. Here, right above the, like this, above this one and under the blue line. It can be like this or like this. Both works. Let's say it's 9. Then we go OK. Go back. Now we go to inspection. Let's do a test first. For you it's different, you have to run the machine. For me I can press from here, test. Okay, now I'll go and check the detection. It seems to be still in the middle, so it's perfect for me right now. All I have to do is go back, go to inspection, sleeve left, teach, check what's going on. It's detecting the shadows here, so I'll move it to this area. Inspection region, move it to here. I can move it like this much. Okay, so now perfect. Back, right one. I can also move it here, no issue. Okay, back. We will check the, perfect, it's detecting this area. Okay, let's check the judgment. 8,900, it's between 0 and 20,000, so perfect. Okay, back. Now we test again. Continuous testing, graphical. Let's check. So if you see now, this one is always red. Let's see why. We go to judgment, left high sleeve. So the number is 8054. Let's go back to inspect, inspection, left high sleeve, modify, teach. It's detecting this defect in the plate. So let's move it away from it. You can see it here, this defect. We can move it up, we can move it down, we can make it smaller. Let's say put it here, okay. Back, back, test. The detection is still wrong, 5880. Inspect. Let's check the judgment. So I'm telling it anything above 1000, above 999 is false. I'll go back to teach it again that this is the area that I want to detect and there is nothing here. So I press teach. I think my laptop froze. Okay, it's back on. Now go back to judgment. It's still 5880, so I'll make this one, let's say 8000. So for me, this is okay. Anything above 8000, it will reject it. Let's check how it works in reality. Also, we can check how the right one is adjusted. The right one is reading 0, so I'll make it like the right one. It's better to keep them both the same. So I'll come here, teach. I will tell it to set by color and choose the area that I want to detect. Okay, I will tell it that everything white is 0, like this. Choose all this area. Okay, now okay. So now everything it will detect in this area, it will think it's black and should give us a 0. Now I'll go back, go to judgment. Now it's 0. So I can go back and put this one 999 same as before. So now both left and right are the same. Now I'll go back, test. For you, don't use this test one. It will confuse you and it will give you wrong measurements. So it's better if you do run and switch to run mode and do a save. Then test it with the actual bottles. So we go back. Let's see judgment position comp. This cross should always detect this blinking light either on the left side or on the right side here. And top one looks good, it's always detecting. It doesn't really matter the top one much because we have too much area of play up and down for the search engines. So even if it plays a little bit down or up, it should not confuse the camera. As you can see, it's all okay. So this one is fine. Let's check the readings here. This reading, if you want to calibrate one of the search engines, one of the search tools, This is the best way to do it, is to run continuous production and check the numbers that you are getting here and compare from the smallest number to the highest number. Then you can adjust your judgment based on that one. So now, like, we are detecting 6,000, 7,800, 8,800, and if it's clear, we are detecting in the range of 40,000. So if we go now to the judgment of this one, go to modify judgment, you can see that I have put that I have a range of colors from 0 to 20,000, and anything above 20,000 is considered no sleeve. And like you have seen before, no sleeve detection was giving around 44,000. So I have a safe range from 20,000 to 44,000 to detect a defection in the sleeve or that there are no sleeves. So it's very safe now, and as long as my range is getting as high as 8,800, I'm also safe because I have 12,000 more room for error to reach 20,000 and for it to be rejected by mistake. So for now, this is good. And let's go again to test. We can test this one as well. This is the right side. As you can see, it's always 0. If we get a high sleeve, it should give us a value above 1000. I'm not sure if I have a high sleeve video. Okay, I don't have a high sleeve picture, so it will not show on this one. But you can test it in real life. You will get it's the same basic principle of the sleeve detection that we just did before. And as we said, for position comp, this small change in the movement, 5 mm up or down, is barely noticeable here. So you can see here, like, the edge of the tool is around, let's say, around the edge of the sleeve, and you can see how much it goes up and down above the sleeve. And it's the same as the composition position comp is changing, so it will range from 5 mm down to 5 mm down up, but it will not affect any of our search engines. And this is it for 1 liter. And basically all the clear bottles are the same, so you can start from 200 and then copy the recipe to 500 and just move the search tools. That would be the easiest way for you to do 4 recipes in maybe like 1 hour.